Hi guys, this is Brito. Welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, hints developing. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you the definition of hints developing. Hints developing is nothing but developing the phrases into full sentences and not merely filling up dashes. For example, when we listen to great lectures, we used to take notes. When we take notes, we used to gather lot of hints. Hints in the sense we note down the key points or important points in our notebook. Then when we go for exams, we develop the hints which we gathered in the classroom and make it as a paragraph or essay. Here I have given you few rules which we have to follow during the development of hints. Read the passage twice or thrice carefully. We have to read the passage twice or thrice. Understand the passage very well. Jot down the points. Note down the important points. An important thing is, if the events in the passage are in the present tense, write the story in the past tense. Arrange the matter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. When you develop the hints, arrange the matter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. And finally, give a suitable title. Give a suitable title for the passage which you have made. And here I have given you an example. Just go through it. This is the sample for hints developing. And here I have developed the hints into a passage. And I have given a suitable title for the passage. Also, I have given you few examples. Read the given hints and try to develop the hints and make it as a passage. And I have given you another example. Try to make it as a passage and give you a suitable title for the passage. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.